Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be my top 5 cult favorites at the drugstore that actually work. Alright you guys, so we get bombarded. I don't know what I'm doing here. So we get bombarded with products all the time. If you are a consumer of YouTube like I am, not only do I create content for you guys, but I also consume the content that is created on YouTube. I am constantly watching YouTube on my phone, on my iPad, my computer, everywhere, at work. I'm constantly watching YouTube, and just like you guys, I hear this product is great, this product is great, this product is great, and by the time I finish a video, there's 12 products in my damn cart at Ulta and Sephora, and I'm in a world of trouble. A lot of times you see so many products and you hear about so many products, you have no idea who to believe, who to trust, what's good, what's not, all of that. So I'm just going to give you 5 products that people talk about all of the time from the drugstore that actually work for me, that I actually believe in, that I actually co-sign on. I did a video like this a few weeks back for my top 5 high-end cult favorites. So if you haven't seen that, click that iCard right up there. It'll take you right to that video. And if you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting on? I'm sure this video has at least about 10 minutes left in it. So go ahead, you have plenty of time to subscribe. Also, make sure you click the little bell so you can be notified of all of my future videos and become a part of the hashtag notification gang. Today's shout out goes to Vicky Smith. Thank you so much for being a part of the hashtag notification gang. Once you click that little bell, make sure you comment down below hashtag notification gang. That way I know that you are a part of the gang and I'll shout you out in the next video. Alright, so let's jump right in. My first products are lashes, and these are the Salon Perfect Go Glam Multi-Pack 615 lashes. So everyone talks about the 615s and the 614s. Lately, the 615s have been my personal favorite. There we go, that's better. The 615s have been my personal favorite lately, so those are the ones that I wanted to show, but the 614s are actually beautiful as well. These lashes, I've talked about them with you guys over and over. You guys have seen me wear them so many times. They're just super wispy and long and lightweight. I think that's my biggest thing, is that they're lightweight. I don't have to worry about them weighing down my eyelids because they're so heavy, and they just don't look super unnatural. They're pretty long, but they don't look crazy unnatural where they're just super thick and long. These are not that thick, and I really, really like that. For people who want to try something different but are new to lashes and are afraid of lashes, I think either the 615s or the 614s by Salon Perfect would work out well for you. I have only seen these at Walmart. So every time I go to Walmart, I stock up on as many boxes as they have. They usually only have a few. They're $9.99 per pack, and I try to stock up because 9 times out of 10, they're sold out. So the next products that I have, it's 2 of them, but I'm counting them as one. I just use them together, and it's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. I have both of the shades, the one in Dolce de Leche and the other one in Caramel Toffee. So that's Dolce de Leche right there, and this one is Caramel Toffee. That is how they look. Just such beautiful contouring palettes. I like to mix the highlighting shade in both of these to go underneath my eyes, and it just makes for the most beautiful highlights. I freaking love these. They're $4.99 a piece. You don't need both. I spent years with only this one, the Caramel Toffee. This is the deeper of the two, and the highlighting shade has more of a yellow tone. The highlighting shade here is like this one's a deeper yellow, and this one's a real pale, like dusty yellow. So like I said, I like to mix both together, but you really only need one depending on your skin tone, and I just absolutely love these. I love these. They're so amazing for the price. The quality is there. They're blendable. They're smooth powders. Try them. Next up on the list, we're going to jump around a little bit to a lip product, and I have the NYX Lip Lingerie. This one's in the shade number 14. What is this? Yeah, number 14, Confident. But it really doesn't matter what shade you get. All of these are amazing. Now, these are not like long wear matte liquid lipsticks, but these are like medium to long wear matte liquid lipsticks. So they're not gonna be like super long wearing. They're not gonna dry down super duper matte, which is actually what I like about them. First off, all of the colors are like nudish colors. Well, they're variations of nude. So this obviously is not nude, but they're like variations of nude. You won't find like a bright pink or anything like that in this lip lingerie collection. At least I don't think you will, but I love these things. They're, I think, $7.99 or $8.99, so super affordable, and they're just so beautiful and comfortable on the lips. I have gotten away from, I mean, I still wear them in my videos, but just out and about, I have been so much more comfortable just throwing on a lip gloss or something like this, a lip lingerie, rather than a completely dried down matte liquid lipstick. I cannot talk today, but I've gotten into just more comfortable lips because I don't know, I just hate being uncomfortable when I'm out, and I feel like liquid lipsticks are so aggravating sometimes. So I haven't even been dealing with them lately unless I'm at home filming for you guys. So I love these. I would try them out if you haven't. I think they're so great. I have so many different colors and they're just beautiful. Next, I have the L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow. This one is in the shade Amber Rush, and these have been out forever now, but they are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I have a lot of colors of these too, and you can always find these on sale at the drugstore. But just look at the shades. It's a pressed pigment basically. Oh, this is my favorite one. I have a few favorites of this. There's a really pretty green, but this is the one that I tend to keep going back to the most. Look at that. Look at that sheen. You can use this as a highlighter or you can use this on your eye. The shadows are just so soft. They actually come with a little presser thing that you put on top because the shadows are like that soft, but they're just really pretty shadows. They're all super pigmented and they look amazing on the eyes. If you have not tried this, for real, if you have not tried this, do yourself a favor. I feel like all you need is one good color for the lid, and you can use that on the lid every single day for every single occasion and look amazing with it on. These are beautiful. Last but not least, I have another L'Oreal product. I feel like I know you guys are going to know that I'm going to put this in the video, but this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I've only been talking about this for years and years and years, and this is such an amazing foundation. I'm in the shade Classic Tan 109, and it's my perfect shade. It's a perfect matte foundation. When I say this foundation is matte, it is matte. When I say this thing is long wearing, infallible, it's long wearing, infallible. Like, it's not gonna fail you, boo. You're not gonna look up and this part of your face gonna be gone. That's not gonna happen with this foundation. It's going to be on your face. When you put it on, it's there. It dries down so good that you have to put it on. You can't just dot it all over your face. You need to put it on in halves. So you need to put this half on, blend it out, put this half on, then blend it out. You don't want to put it all over your face because it will start drying down rather quickly. And I mean, if you have oily skin, this is the foundation for you. I'm not sure where you've been or why you have not tried this, but stop the madness and try it, okay? If anybody tries to tell you that this foundation is not good, especially if you have oily skin, if anybody tries to tell you that, get rid of that person because you don't need that type of negativity in your life, okay? Alright, so that's it. That's all I got for you. First off, this video was extremely hard to choose just 5 products. So if you guys want to see a part 2, possibly a part 3, because the drugstore has some amazing gems, I'll definitely do that for you because, I mean, that was tough to only pick 5 products. There's so many more that I could have mentioned. So again, if you have not, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you are subscribed to my vlog channel with my family and my husband. We have a great time over there, so make sure you're subscribed there too. And make sure you're following me on my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. That's the best way to keep up with me in between uploads. Thank you guys so much for all your love, for all your support. We're like 12,000 subscribers and counting. That's like crazy to me that 12,000 plus people clicked the subscribe button and said, I want to see more from this girl. Like, crazy. So thank you guys for all of your support, and I love you, I love you, I love you, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.